forever, ever hold or never mind. Oh,
How are you guys doing? I welcome you all to Soul Star. So my new joiners, thank you so much for watching, and my old joiners, thank you so much for coming back. So guys, all my information is in the description box. Kindly have a look. Also watch the YouTube shots that I pull out. I pull out a daily tarot card wherein I tap into your energy, current energy, supporting energy, and do watch that as well. Okay. So we are doing a general prosperity spread, like a career spread, that can resonate into any dynamic, your personal, professional, but essentially focusing on the abundance messages that you're going to receive. Okay, so let's see what you need to see, my Libras, this week. Finish the pending work which is hanging on right now. Could be in any dynamic. Ensure that you pay attention to that. Okay, so we have, to be fair, 11, master number. So when we talk about this, it's about balance, it's about fairness, it's about cause and effect, it's about karma playing. So justice is around the corner, people. Something is changing in your direction right now in regard to your workplace, people. Maybe you're switching, maybe you're planning to switch, or you've switched, or maybe you've started something that you were resisting for a long time. You could be dealing with a co-air sign, could be a water sign as well. Let's see what do we need to see in regard to your tarot guidance going forward. Then I'm going to explain the oracle as well. Do like and subscribe, that would be great. They asked me to stop. Show me the messages I need to see, Michael Gabriel, for my Libras. And Libras, you guys were the highest watchers last time when I had posted the love messages for all signs. Thank you so much. And I'm gonna, with the abundance message, I'm gonna add your love message also, your relationship message as well with the oracle. Okay, only for you. Three of Wands, inspiration, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. So this is about cause and effect. This is about something that you've been waiting for, which is possibly coming in now, as there is a shift in the wind. You're discovering things in a different way because you're learning the art of balancing. Maybe some Libras, your sign is like all about balancing the scale, right? The pentacles. You were not doing that. Now you're doing it with the moon here. This full moon in Aquarius would be very big for you. Let me just say that out loud for you guys. Okay, this is Piscean energy, really Cancer energy for me. So full moon in Aquarius could be very big for you because you would be clearing out certain things that you were not paying attention to. This could be in regard to your people as well, that you're dealing with in regard to the family, that you had some disturbance in, that you were not receiving the kind of understanding that you wanted to in regard to work as well, in regard to your abundance that you wanted to invite. So everything is falling into place because you're just about to close a certain cycle in a very big way. And yeah, so I just think that, and you're trusting more now. You're not questioning more, you're trusting more. With the Knight of Swords, it's about time that you want, that now is the time that I have to move on, and suddenly you feel that it is working, it has started moving, and I'm so glad. With the Three of Wands, waiting in anticipation, it is kind of working for you, and that makes you very excited and happy, and you're looking forward to move in your career, in your business, whichever way. You want juniors, seniors to give you all the support in regard to what you plan to do while forging ahead. Okay, so cross watchers, do use your inner compass and do watch your sun, moon and rising, guys, my Libras, as I dabble into Vedic and Western astrology both. Okay, and when I say that with this clarity, that do not get confused, okay, because at times as cross watchers we get confused. Okay, so with the Queen of Cups, definitely it's about aligning yourself. You could have water in your chart, or you're dealing with somebody who's a Cancer. Okay, So it's about attuning yourself, bringing about that balance that you did not have. You did not have the understanding, because now it's changing for you. As I said, with the moon and the wheel, Jupiterian energy, it is really coming around you guys. Abundance in big way is coming around. It is just coming around. It's about you discovering new aspects to you. With 3 to 8 of wands, a lot is going to flow in your life, because you've sat down with yourself, you've done certain things that you were not doing earlier. Now you're paying attention to all of that, and you're saying, you know what, I am no more eclipsed. I see things clearly in the full moon, and I'm going to release by connecting all that was not serving me, so that I can bring about the change that I so want in my life, and I will forge ahead towards it and invite all the abundance that I was waiting for all the time. It's as simple as that. But it's also about paying attention to fairness right now, people. Okay, Libras, be very fair in your approach. Okay, that is this oracle about your master number 11. Pay attention to that. Okay, you would be seeing that in a lot of spaces and places. So just have that balance, exchange of your ideas and thoughts. Communicate. Do not have a blocked channel of communication. Use your personal insight, so that you can trust somebody and not follow on what people are feeding you all the time. That's a message for somebody out there. It also talks about the spread here. It also talks about a lot of negotiations that will happen into place, that I see with the 3 of wands, wheel, and the 8 of wands. A lot of negotiations are going to happen, and you will have to assess them really well, so that you can have a fair settlement, and it should be mutually beneficial for both the parties. Okay, finances and everything would be great. Just take stock of how you're spending the money, because that is one concern for some. Okay, and do not be very hasty with the Knight of Swords here. The wheel, the queen, as I see, because I read in a certain way. So do not rush. Be easy, understand, get the full support, and move forward, move ahead. That is where it's going to flow for you, and you would know that it all makes sense now. Okay, your partners, your colleagues would be very helpful, but I think you need to let go of people who don't kind of add value, but kind of bring you the burden. For somebody from your workspace is not being honest to you, and there's a possibility that you still have something unfinished in that situation. So pay attention to that. This is like something loud for somebody that came. Okay, might not resonate with all, obviously. So do not ask or try to control everything. Honestly, for you guys, Libras, let the universe balance the scale for you, and just stay aligned to it. That's what they're saying. That I think you guys need to. You also, I think this has been a huge message throughout the readings that I've done till now, that meditate, ground yourself, clear the clutter, so that you can invite the abundance. Full moon in Aquarius is really going to be amazing, I feel, to make you more empowered and to make you more healed. So let's see what are the divine direction messages we need to see. It's a superb reading. It's about truth. It's about you being compensated well. It's about balance. It's about justice. It's about gains. It's about gifts. It's about amazing collaborations coming your way, money flowing in, provided you pay attention to the ideas and thoughts that play in your mind. So what is the divine direction that Libras need to see? Yes, strength, infinity. You have an enormous amount of strength and courage. Remain focused, stand tall, and shine. So basically, like I said, do not rush it. Do not question and do not try to take control of it, because the universe is going to balance the pentacles for you. Whatever the situation is that is resonating with you, the universe is going to balance it for you. You don't have to worry about it, okay? So whatever you're thinking about, your goals, your workspace, in regard to your job, your business, your friends, your family, your love partner, you will be receiving the support that you need, okay, provided you pay attention to your thoughts, your ideas that are coming around, and you see that the only thing that will work in your favor is to be fair. Okay, so this is what I have for you, my Libras. Do like and subscribe, and I shall see you the next time until eternity, and sending you so much of love and light. Bye.